In the industrial wave of intellectualization, the injection molding industry increased the requirements of higher quality. Perhaps the story behind it is yet to be understood. However, over the past 20 years, the upgrade of each product of Smile is a commitment to go all out. Smile, your injection molding expert. Since the birth of Smile, we always focus on the R&D and production of auxiliary equipment for injection molding machines. Adhering to the concept of being your injection molding expert, we have introduced international top advanced technology, continued to develop innovative products with higher efficiency and energy conservation. We have won the honorary title of national level specialized and sophisticated SMEs, Little Giant, and continuously earned the favor and trust of the mainstream market. In Ningbo, China, Smile owns a digitalized factory with a total area of more than 20,000 square meters. We have introduced foreign advanced production facilities, continuously, efficiently and stably produce Smile products with excellent quality. For each order of the client, we provide superior quality and delivery guarantee. We also integrate products with service ingenuity and deeply develop the central conveying system. Combined with various auxiliary equipment such as Smile robot, conveyor, and color dose mixer, we customize automation solutions for injection molding workshops for clients. While improving the quality of customers' products, we realize the value transformation of more efficient energy conservation, cost reduction, and efficiency increase to help clients enhance the core competitiveness of their enterprises. We constantly subvert traditions and take market demand and client interests as our R&D orientation. Our company innovatively launched the high-precision intelligent injection molding machine brand NAVIS, aiming to help clients break through the bottleneck of traditional enterprise development. NAVIS products have core components with high precision, high rigidity, and strength clamping structure, groundbreaking lubrication design, and 3-in-1 closed-loop control. Through comprehensive upgrading of software and hardware, it has created outstanding advantages such as precision, cleanliness, energy saving, low noise, and high efficiency. Simultaneously, it also has helped us quickly occupy the market and successfully covered 80% of the world's regions. From the production of various auxiliary equipment for injection molding machines to the provision of customized solutions, allowing users to consume with confidence is our eternal purpose on this road of continuous improvement. We provide 24-hour technical consultation for clients with professional and timely lifelong service, only for become your truly reliable injection molding expert. Every step forward is a qualitative leap. Every upgrade is synchronized with the world. Smile, with the target of creating a leading brand in the industry, keeps challenging the technical boundaries, creates more value for clients. Smile, your injection molding expert.